So I recently started working on a multiplayer RPG game kind of thing. I just want to talk about what I've been working on, kind of some of the stuff that I've implemented, and just general progress on the game. I'm hoping that by making these videos, I can tell the world about this shitty little game, and hopefully someone out there is excited for it. Um, I In the last month, I've laid down the foundations for networking and also implemented some basic item systems so you can take stuff out of chests into chests. You can drop items and everything is saved. Um, and so adding new items is really easy. Bank storage is infinite and I can add multiple banks. It's just basic, like, MMORPG kind of ideas. The character is a bit of a placeholder right now because I kind of copied him from online, but I'm gonna be remaking him soon and also adding some more animations and stuff, and probably adding a female variant as well. And yeah, but that's all something. That's all stuff down the line. I want the game to have interesting combat. I think combat is where I'm going to attract most of my audience because not only will combat be the focus, but specifically PvP. So the game will be centered around fighting other people, maybe map control. I'm not really too sure. But that's all stuff down the line. For now, I'm going to start implementing combat soon. Maybe some more stuff for the terrain because it looks a bit boring. Right now, there's only like pine trees and a flat ground, and a lot of the buildings are just placeholders. I drew up a rough sketch of a map idea of just like the world map. Here it is. It's pretty basic and bare bones right now, so there's still a lot hanging in the air about art style and art in general. And yeah, I'm working with a few other people in creating this game, so that's really cool. I've never really worked on a game with other people before, but I've had people give me art assets, and someone said they're gonna make music, which is like really awesome. And I think it'll help speed everything up because I'll be able to focus more on programming and actually implementing the main features of the game. And with other people kind of working with me, it'll push me on. Um, and yeah, the game's not live yet. Well, it is kind of, but you can't really create an account. And I'm probably not going to do that until at least after combat is implemented, just so that there's at least something to do. Right now, there is nothing to do. You can't even tell that items are in the game because they don't spawn anywhere. I just cheated some in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any ideas or you just want to chat about the game, I'm going to put a Discord link in the description. That's it. See ya.